Just a quick tip, guys. I just cooked some sausages and some hot dogs, whatever else. Added a bit more charcoal. Got some fat burning at the bottom right now. About to cook some chicken. You definitely don't want that smoke going into your chicken, so just wait till it stops smoking and you'll have some tasty chicken. Again, you don't want that bad smoke, all that. You can smell it right now. It's just all that grease and raw charcoal burning right now. And I'm using the lump. But yeah, you want to wait for that smoke to clear.